Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do the unboxing of the Indianized version of AeroPress, that is KaldiPress. This is the Indian version of AeroPress. This is way more cheaper than your AeroPress. Before going for the unboxing, let's talk about the box. So here we can see the image of our KaldiPress. This is how it look like. Here you can see how you can use this KaldiPress. If you know how to use AeroPress, you can easily use this one. This side they are showing what you can make using this KaldiPress. So unboxing time. Whoa. I'll talk about this later. This is a filter, the paper filter which you're gonna use. This is the storage where we can put our filter. What next? We have a guide, or you can say warranty card. For stirring we have this and a spoon. That's quite nice, quite big. I'm loving it. Now the hero of this main movie, our KaldiPress body. This is a KaldiPress body, fully plastic. You can see KaldiPress written over here. This is our filter area. So let's take out the plunger. This is our plunger. The bottom part is of rubber, same as AeroPress, but it smells like shoes we used to wear in school days. This is the body where we're going to put our water, coffee ground. This is our filter. Let's unbox it. Let's remove it. Here we get metal mess. So do you want to make coffee with me? Here we go. For KaldiPress, we need to use 15 to 17 grams of coffee. So currently I'm using Boca Farm coffee beans. This is medium roast, a bit berry and chocolatey flavor. So let's unpack our coffee. We need around 17 grams. So as I told you, this part of my coffee grinder takes around 20 grams of coffee. So I have to keep the coffee beans according to that. So this is our 17 grams of coffee beans. We have to put the coffee beans inside the grinder. Now assemble it. I have something interesting for you. Before grinding the coffee, you can do one thing. Just take a sprayer, open it and just do 2 spray and you can see the magic. So our grinding process has just finished. Let's see. This is our coffee. So what's our next process? We just have to push this plunger inside this mouth just a little. That's it. Now invert it. We have to put our ground coffee inside. First I want to smell it. Oh, super intense guys. So we have to put our ground coffee inside this part. And here we go. Now pour 200 ml of hot water around 85 to 92 degrees Celsius. So let's bring our hot water. So this is our 200 ml of warm water. Let's pour it. Ouch. Now we have to stir it for around 30 seconds so that everything mixes well. There will be no lumps inside the coffee. Now we have to put it for rest around 2-minute rest, because the 2-minute rest brew the coffee very well. I'll put my filter on it so that nothing goes inside. So your AeroPress will take total around 3 minutes in order to brew a beautiful, aromatic, powerful, dense coffee. My whole room is surrounded with coffee smell. So intense and so soothing it is. So we are done with our 2 minutes. Turn it around inside this glass and we have to push for around 45 seconds. Be gentle, don't push hard. Go slow and slow and slow. Why this feature? The air inside this jar or the compartment pushes the coffee and the water downwards. When you start to feel like it's done, just stop there. Don't bring the plunger whole way down. And when you start to hear something psss, then you just need to stop. Let it sit for 10 second one push further from here. Now it's the time to remove the KaldiPress. Wow, intense smell. Once again, let's see. This is a filter, the metal mass. Hoo-hoo! The steam is coming out. So this is the ground coffee residue. Pro tip, if you have plant in your house, just throw this ground coffee inside the soil and it will do magic. Let's keep it aside. Now time to taste our decoction. A pinch of bitterness, I can say. No sourness. The first time I used the AeroPress, it was very sour, and obviously I was unaware of how to use this KaldiPress. So let's take another sip. Getting a bit nutty flavor. I'm loving it, guys. Super tasty. So tell me, do you want a review of this Mocha Farm coffee beans? Say yes and I will make a video on it.